Okay, hello and welcome to my channel. And last day we completed Windows Fundamental 1. Now today I'm going to start with the Windows Fundamental 2. Okay, I'm going to start system configuration. Okay, first I need to read all the questions. What is the name of the service that lists system internal as the manufacturer? Whom is the Windows license registered to? What is the command for Windows troubleshooting? What command will open the control panel? Then the service list system, Windows license registered, and command for Windows troubleshooting. Okay, let's start the read. The system configuration utility msconfig is for advanced troubleshooting, and its main purpose is to help diagnose startup issues. Reference the following document here for more information on the system configuration utility. There are several methods to launch system configuration. One method is from the start menu. System configuration. You need local administrator rights to open this utility. The utility has 5 tabs across the top. Below are the names for each tab. We will briefly cover each tab in this task. General boot services, startup tools. In the General tab, we can select what devices and services for Windows to load upon boot. The options are normal, diagnostic, or selective. In the Boot tab, we can define various boot options for the operating system. The Services tab lists all services configured for the system regardless their state. A service is a special type of application that runs in the background. Services tab. What is the name of the services that lists system interface as well? Services tab. Okay, let's continue. And in the startup tab, you won't see anything interesting in the attached virtual machine. Below is a screenshot of the startup tab for msconfig from my local machine. As you can see, Microsoft advises using Task Manager to manage, enable, disable startup items. The system configuration utility is not a startup management program. If you open a Task Manager for the attached virtual machine, you will notice that Task Manager doesn't show a startup tab. There is a list of various utilities in the Tool tab that we can run to configure the operating system further. There is a brief description of each tool to provide some insight into what the tool is for. Notice selected command section. The information in this text box will change per tool. To run a tool, we can use the command to launch the tool via the run prompt, command prompt, or clicking the launch button. Okay, what is the name of internal manufacturer? Okay, what's the answer? I don't know actually. I tried many times but it won't work. It's the network status. Whom is the Windows license registered to? Okay. Oh, it's not working. I don't know. My network issue or okay, or website issue maybe. Okay, question 1. As a needed general keeps variety still option boot. Okay, what is the manufacturer? Internal answer. PS shutdown. Seriously? PS shutdown. crazy. PS shutdown. Okay, PS. Okay, the next question about Windows display version information launch answer Windows user. Okay, what is the command line for Windows troubleshooting? C Windows, I don't want system configuration. What the heck? Control.exe. Okay. Oh my goodness, seriously. Okay, that is good. Now jump into the error section. Change USC settings. We are continuing with tools that are available through the system configuration panel. User account control was covered in great detail in Windows Fundamental 1. The USC settings can be changed or even turned off entirely, not recommended. You can move the slider to see how the setting will change the USC settings, and Microsoft stands on the setting. The user, what is the command to open user account control? I don't know. How much long? Control.exe. Sorry. What is the command? User account. What the heck? It is easy. Oh, it's the exe. Okay, it's done. Computer management. What the heck? What's not started? What the heck I need to do? It's completely done. I don't know. What is the problem? Okay, computer management. We are continuing with tools that are available through the system configuration panel. The computer management utility has three primary sections: system tools, storage and services, and applications. System tools. Let's start with task scheduler. Per Microsoft, with task scheduler we can create and manage common tasks that our computer will carry out automatically at the time we specify. A task can run an application, a script, etc., and task can be configured to run at any point. A task can run at log in or at log off. Tasks can also be configured to run on a specific schedule. For example, every 5 minutes. To create a basic task, click on create basic task under actions, right panel. Next, event viewer. Okay, first of all I need to read all the questions. What is the command to open computer management? At what time every day is is the Google Update Task Machine UA task configured to run? What is the name of the hidden folder that is shared? Okay. Event viewer allows us to view events that have occurred on the computer. These records of events can be seen as an audit trail that can be used to understand the activity of the computer system. Okay, continuing. Next is Event Viewer. Event Viewer allows us to view events that have occurred on the computer. These records of events can be seen as an audit trail that can be used to understand the activity of the computer system. This information is often used to diagnose problems and investigate actions executed on the system. Event Viewer has three panes. The pane on the left provides a hierarchical tree listing of the event log providers. The pane in the middle will display a general overview and summary of the events specific to a selected provider. The pane on the right is Actions pane. There are 5 types of events that can be logged. Below is a table form providing a brief description for each other.